Hello everybody, so we're gonna do a very simple healthy recipe that any trucker can do. All we need is just like a bit of chicken breast, a bit of frozen vegetables, and simple stove. And here you go, we're gonna do it. Just it will take a few seconds to show it to you. Here you go. Yeah, so all we do is just take a small saucepan, put it on the stove, a little bit of water. We're not gonna use even like oil, so we'll keep it very simple and very healthy. So a little bit of water in the pan, and all we do, this is like 250 grams of chicken breast. Here you go, into the pan. We'll put some salt and pepper. That's very basic. You can get those things in any Walmart or any Aldi shop. Very simple spices. There you go. A little bit of soy sauce, just the usual thing. We'll add some soy sauce. And we'll put the frozen vegetables, 340 grams of frozen vegetables on top. That's like pre-packed, you can buy in any shop. So we'll put this on. Simple and easy. And we'll keep it there for a few minutes. We'll get there. Go. So here you go, just a few minutes on the stove. It's all ready. Very simple, looks simple, healthy. So it's a whole portion is about 500 calories and about 65 grams of protein. So it's very healthy for the people who are tracking their protein intake. It's very simple, 65 grams of protein. So that's all I need. Plated and enjoy. Add some soy sauce. Very simple. Thank you.